In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the subtitles on Crunchyroll. So for me, I'll use the PC. All you have to do is go to crunchyroll.com, sign into your account, and then click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select settings. Within the settings, choose preferences, and then ensure that you have enabled closed caption first. Once you have enabled it, you should see the option change caption appearance. So click on that, and you should see how the closed caption or the subtitles will look like. Now from here, you can change a couple of things. You can change the font, the size, the color, opacity, and the edge styling. So if you want to change the font, select the font that you'd like. So these are the only available fonts. You can also choose to change the size from medium, large, or small. You can choose to change the color, whichever color you'd like. You can also choose to adjust the opacity, the subtitles. So you can choose either from 25% to 100%. And also you can choose to have an edge style, okay? So you can choose raised and all the other options that are currently available. Now at this point, you can scroll down and you can see two options. So these options, basically, you can change the background of this rectangle of the subtitles. So you can choose to change it to white if you want, or you can change it to another color. And also you can change the opacity. So you can either choose it to 0 or you can choose it to maximum. Also, you can choose the same thing for this side. Let's say, for instance, if you want it at black, and also you can choose to increase the opacity, as you can see how it looks like, or you can choose to remove the opacity. Now, once you're done, simply go back to the Crunchyroll website, and then you can now play any video and you can now see your updated subtitles. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.